Vlogmas day 5. Good morning, y'all. Today I am going to be making Pupcakes. It's doggy cupcakes with frosting by my favorite blogger slash chef, Recipe 10 Eats. You can check out her website. She has like so many great recipes and I usually love them. So yeah, today for Vlogmas, I'm going to be doing the Pupcakes because I have white bananas that I really need to use. And she calls for 2 white bananas. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I'm not a chef or a baker, but I do like to, do my thing every once in a while. Okay, so she calls for 2 white bananas, a half cup of peanut butter, smooth and creamy. I don't know if we have a half cup. We have this one. This is like my favorite. This is my favorite peanut butter. And I don't know. Let's see. I just need a half cup. Yeah, I might have to use some of this, honestly. I'm going to check to see if I have another jar. Oh, because I think we bought some for her. Yeah, her own peanut butter. Okay, it doesn't have Orexatol, which is perfect. Okay, yeah, so this is the peanut butter that's for her. This one's for me, and my hubby loves sunflower butter. Okay, yeah, we buy our dog her own peanut butter jar. So I'm going to use her peanut butter. A 1/3 cup of honey. Okay, I got my honey here. A 1/3 cup of honey. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Yeah, I'm going to set you down here in the fridge. So we're going to grab 2 eggs. Two eggs. What else do we need in here? Okay, 2 eggs. All right, so we have our eggs. We have our peanut butter. We have our honey. We have our eggs. And we have our banana. Flour. She says 1/2 cup of flour, and in her note section she usually says to whole wheat or wholemeal. I do have whole wheat flour, so I'm gonna grab that, but I need a chair because I am actually only 5'3", 5'4", I think. Yeah, so whole wheat flour. Flour, oil, baking powder, and then 1/4 cup of oil, and then 3/4 cup of water. Okay, we got our oil, and then 3/4 cups of water. Okay, we got 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, got my 1/4 cup. We're gonna grab a bowl. We need a bowl, and we need a mixing. Of course, we need our hand mixer. So I'm going to plug that in. Actually. Alright. Okay. So the recipe says we're going to place the bananas in a bowl. Well, first we're going to line our oven, which I line my oven. And we're going to put our cupcake liners in our muffin tin. And I have these jumbo ones. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh, our oven is ready. But for my oven, after it beeps, I let it go in for like an additional. So she said 2 bananas. I wonder if I put 3 bananas, if it's gonna like mess it up. These are really ripe. Place bananas in a bowl and mash with a potato masher. Now, for some reason, my potato masher is gone. Probably have to get a new one. So I'm just gonna use a fork to mash it. I'm just gonna use a fork to mash this in here. Now, the recipe does not call for 3 bananas, but look at this one. I have to add it because it's about to go bad. I would make some banana bread, but we already have so much sweets in the house already that I can't do that to myself. But I know this girl has been wanting some to eat our stuff, so might as well make her own stuff. Okay, so we got the bananas, and now we're gonna add the peanut butter, honey, and eggs. So the peanut butter, it calls for 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Right, 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I think I probably have like 1/2 cup left. Yeah. Half a cup of peanut butter. Okay. Okay. Eggs and honey. So got our 2 eggs. We're gonna break that. Is this again? I don't know if you're supposed to put the shell in there, but I didn't. All right. And honey. So for the honey, it calls for 2 tablespoons of honey. All right, let's get our tablespoon. Okay, so we have 1 tablespoon. All right, 1 tablespoon. Oh, actually, 1/3 cup. I was looking at the frosting. So 1/3 cup of honey, actually. It's actually 1/3 cup of honey. So I'm gonna use my, okay, this is not gonna go in there. I need a spoon. I'm gonna use this. I need to get my scraper in here because I'm not about to let all this honey waste over here in this spoon. I need my mini scraper. Okay, yeah, I'm using my scraper. Scrape all that honey off of here. Put that thing in the bowl. So we got the honey, eggs, and peanut butter in our bowl. All right. So now She says to whisk well until smooth. It gets pretty messy. All right, so we're gonna whisk it well. I got peanut butter all over my gamble. Yeah, all over this gamble. With this, what the heck? My hand is getting sticky. Hand is getting sticky. So, sorry y'all. That was, all right. So we're mixing this until smooth. Okay, now we're going to add flour, baking powder, oil. Okay, so the flour, she calls for 1 1/2 cup of flour. I'm using whole wheat. So 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup 1. 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup whole wheat flour. Baking powder is 2 1/2 teaspoons. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon. 1/2. 1/2. 2. 1/2. Okay, so 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to put our oil in water. So we're going to put it in our water. And then we're going to put in our 1/2 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of oil. She does have an option to add frosting, but this girl don't need no frosting. She don't need no frosting. She be hyper enough. All right, and we're just gonna mix this in here now. I finally fixed this because it was not working for me. All right, now we're gonna put these in our liner, our muffin liner. All right, so now we're gonna load these. Let's see, I'm gonna use the 1/2 cup because it already has oil in there. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for 22 minutes, and then I will see you when it is done and cooled, and we'll do a taste test with the dog. Say hi to the people. Let's say hi. I made you some cupcakes. They're some Pupcakes. They're baking. Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited for them? Are you excited for them? Yeah? Say hi. Say hi, Chin Chin. Look at her already smelling them. Yep. She's already on the prowl. You gotta wait for them to be done, girl. Hey. Say hi. Say hi to the people. She does not care. All right, let me show y'all the Christmas tree. Some of the gifts are already, it wouldn't be Vlogmas if I didn't show y'all the tree over in this corner. We got some gifts over here. Yeah, it's really pretty. What's up? Say hi to the people. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. We're about to eat some Christmas. I made you some muffins. Oh, she's about to attack me. Oh, look, say hi. Say hi. Oh, hi. Say hi. Oh, you don't want to be bothered? You don't want to be bothered? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right. Okay. I think that's enough camera time for her. You can still see her in the background there. I can still see you. Oh! You don't want to be seen? No, you don't want to be seen? Okay. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm going to bring y'all back for the taste test. Unpeel one and I'm gonna give it to our girl. Are you ready for this? All right, let's look for her reaction. I know she's been waiting. Are you ready for these? Let's see. Do you like it? Okay, let's bring them over here. You like it? It's good? Whoa, where is it? You ate it all? What? You ate it already? Wow. Wow, she ate it already and I didn't even get the audio. Oh, it fell in your water. There it is. You ate it all. You dropped it in your water bowl. What's wrong? Here. Oh my God. Right, we gotta toss your water bowl. Alright, excuse me, girl. Alright, well, I didn't get the audio of her attacking it and everything, but that is for Vlogmas Day 5. I hope you all enjoy it. Check out Recipe Tin's website. I love her recipes. They're so good. These are for the girl, and I would not recommend you trying these because there is no vanilla extract in here. There's no sugar or anything. It's purely for the girl. All right, bye y'all. Have fun. And I hope you guys stay tuned for more Christmas activities.